Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you all doing? It's been a long time since I posted my long vlog. I shooted this last week but then I was too lazy to edit and upload it. So yeah. Anyways, here's my new vlog. Hope you guys like it. So it was a nice weather. So I decided to head out and go to Châtelet because it's been a long time since I went out. It was a nice weather. वरना यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी पड़ी थी अभी तो अगर किसी को पता हो तो और ये Châtelet, if you all are here in Paris, then you all know how big the station is. जब मैं यहाँ पर नई आई थी मैं कितनी बार लॉस हो चुकी थी. And then look at this architect, guys. Look at these buildings. Oh my god, like every time I see it, there's just something different about this city. हर एक बार ना मुझे कुछ अलग ही महसूस होता है. तो बस यहाँ वहाँ मैं घूम रही थी, विंडो शॉपिंग मैंने की, and then I was just walking around. Because I was just so tired of going to universities and part-time. I was just like thinking about going alone, having my me time. But then I decided to call my friends also. We are roaming around, looking after a lot of stuff. Found a new bookstore also from where I got a lot of books to read. और यहाँ पर ना ये फाउंटेन भी हमें दिखा. It was so peaceful actually. इतने सारे लोग यहाँ पर बैठे थे. And you can see how cloudy it was. Oh my god. The best day ever, I would say. And then यहाँ पर चलते चलते हमें बहुत भूख लग गई थी. And then we went to Los Prados. अगर आप लोग को एड्रेस चाहिए, comment down below. I will send it to you guys because it's the best restaurant. The food is so lekker. And it's halal, obviously. और आपको अगर हलाल रेस्टोरेंट्स या कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप मुझे DM कर सकते हो, कमेंट में पूछ सकते हो. मैं obviously आपके आंसर्स दूंगी. यहाँ पर खाना बहुत ही अच्छा था. This is like the 4th or 5th time I have came here. The food is so good. Look at this spread. Amazing chicken, fries, rice or fresh salad. It was the perfect comforting meal. खाना खाने के बाद it was time for round 2 of exploring. हम बहुत ही प्यारे ग्रीन पार्क से गुजरे. Historic सेंट जैक टावर देखा और थोड़ी ठंडी ठंडी हवा एंजॉय की. पेरिस हिट्स डिफरेंट जब आप बिल्कुल सुकून से घूम रहे होते हो. चलते चलते हम रिवर के पास पहुंच गए. सेन रिवर पर क्रूज बोट्स को जाते हुए देखना बहुत ही पीसफुल लगता है. And not only that, there is a sale going on all over in Paris, guys, so don't miss out on that. Go to Châtelet, buy whatever you want because there's like sale going on for 50 or 60% off on every item. So don't miss out on that. उसके बाद just look at this. The park was so peaceful actually. There were a lot of people. There was some singing. People were enjoying. Kids were dancing. They were just having fun. उसके बाद हमने थोड़ा सा और walk किया. You can see the queue outside Kiko Milano shop here. There's this new trend thing going on कि lipstick पर आप अपना name customize कर सकते हो. So even I went and got that done. If you want to see, follow me on my Instagram. You'll see the whole video is uploaded over there, guys. And then yeah, went to the Seine River and you can see how peaceful it is to see the boat going from here. मैं यहाँ पे ये cruise में भी actually मैं बैठी थी. It was so nice and I'm planning to go again, so I will definitely take a full vlog on that. And then yeah, I was just walking around and guess what? I found a really cute place near this. I actually forgot to take a video of that this time, but I'm definitely gonna go visit it and post it so that you guys don't miss out on that. ये ब्रिज के पास से व्यू बहुत ही अमेजिंग था. डे एंड करते करते हम कुछ बहुत ही प्यारे फ्लावर कवर कैफे जैसे सिंको नोविनो, आई डोंट नो अगर मैंने प्रोनाउंस सही से किया या नहीं, के पास से गुजरे और फिर हम लोग ने यहाँ पे बहुत सारी हलाल रेस्टोरेंट्स भी देखी. थैंक्स फॉर एक्सप्लोरिंग विथ मी गाइस और मिलते हैं इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. आई होप आई डू अपलोड इट ऑन टाइम. सी यू गाइस, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.